So you might be trying to figure out what the green dot means on Snapchat. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, whenever you go ahead and open up the Snapchat application, you might see that there's a little bit of a green dot at the very top right corner, whether it's next to the dynamic island or whether it's next to your other area of your iPhone. Basically, there's a lot of dots that can basically happen within your particular iPhone. Now, if you actually take a close look at it, you might see that the dot is green. And the reason why that is because within a new version update of our particular iPhones, we now have the capability of basically seeing whether or not our cameras and or our microphones are being used. So that green dot up at the very top, what that basically means is that your particular Snapchat application is essentially using or utilizing the cameras. Now, this is a very, very cool thing because this basically gives us a little indication whether or not our cameras are being used within our iPhone. Now, take a look at this. If I go and start recording, you might see that sometimes a red dot may appear as well, and that will basically indicate that your voice is being recorded within your particular application. Now, the green dot basically means your camera and or your microphone can be recorded. If I go and open up my voice memos application, you might see that my particular app will go ahead and show me a red dot. So if I go and start recording, you can see a orange dot, not a red dot, an orange kind of like reddish dot basically appears. And that basically means that our particular application is recording, which it is at the bottom. So that green dot on Snapchat basically means that our phone is utilizing the camera. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. It's a super, super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.